Good morning, everyone. I am Rini at this end and hope everyone are safe and secure at your end during this lockdown period. During our first virtual class, we had an introduction of the Chocolate or Chocoladan festival. I am so happy to see that so many emails popped up my notification with so many points. Yes, I know you are eager to know what are the points about the chocolate. So let's have a rewind session about the chocolate festival and then let's dive into the new topic from around the world. Okay? Yes, let's move on to the topic. Chocolate is an international chocolate festival being celebrated in a small historical town, Tübingen, in the state of Baden-Württemberg in Germany. Being one of the smallest town, it escaped the war bombings during the World War, so it holds the ancient building throughout the city center. And also it holds one of the oldest university of Europe. And the university is University of Tübingen or Eberhard Karls University. During the first weekend in the month of December, people from all over the Europe or now all over the world try to display their first class homemade chocolates throughout the cobble streets of city center, and some of the best brands are Lindt and Rittersport, and people who attend the festival try to fill their freezers with chocolates from 100% dark chocolate to normal milk chocolates for even an year. Yes, they will buy chocolates which can be used for the whole year. During the festival, they sell hot melted chocolate and it goes well with the weather. Yes, the weather drops below zero and the hot melted chocolate is a very good drink to be enjoyed. Hope you all came to know some of the points of chocolate or Chocoladan festival, and let's move on to today's topic. So let's move on to spring. We have seen a festival during the month of winter, and let's move on to spring. Okay, the festival is Easter. Yes, you all know what's Easter and what's meant by the day on which our God won the death. So there are so many customs being followed, and one among those are Easter bunny and Easter egg, which seems to be odd, and there is some history behind this, and I request everyone to find out what's Easter egg and Easter bunny. In other terms, Osterhase or Osterei. So let's wind up our today's virtual class and let's move on to our work to be done session. Yeah, there is work to be done session, and there are 3 works to be done before the next virtual class. And the first one is, the work is very simple. Okay, remove egg yolk and white without breaking the shell of an egg into 2 equal halves, leaving the whole shell as the original egg. Paint them as Easter egg with different techniques. Have a picture and mail me. Have a write up of Easter egg and Easter bunny is your second homework. And the last one is simple but it's quite tricky. What's meant by cobble streets? Yes, there is a system, cobble streets in Europe, and there is a particular rule to be followed when we use those cobble streets. So I request you to find the points and mail me. See you all with another topic from around the world. Until then, Be safe, be secure.